magia que desprendo mientras el tiempo se va mezclando. Me ves aquí, sientes lo que siento, entre el ayer y hoy, bailando contra el viento. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? ¿Quién baila? Paso las horas cantando, monedas van resonando. La gente me mira extraño, mi violín va llamando. Mezclo lo viejo y presente, mi música diferente, pero mi corazón sabe que este momento es grande. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? ¿Quién baila? Y aunque algunos no entienden mi manera de ser, sigo aquí en mi esquina haciendo tiempo mover. ¿Quién baila conmigo en la plaza? ¿Quién siente el ritmo en casa? Mis cuerdas antiguas con salsa. ¿Quién baila conmigo? Baila conmigo.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good evening, guys. Let's just get rid of that. And that. And unlock that and that. We're only going to be playing the game today. I don't know, I might just look at the charts a little bit, but I got some work to do, so I figured, you know what? If we can get a game going, what's that? Oh, if we can get a game going, a game or two, a qualifier, so be it. If not, we're just hanging out. Let me get that in the chat. What do I need? Ducks. Chat. Get the chat up. Where is it? I know it's somewhere. I mean, I'm going to take a look at the charts a little bit, but not really focus too much on it. Okay, we'll keep it quiet. Let the sound on. Hey, what happened to my volume? We get a chart change. 44,000. Hey, twisted. No, not many. Not really looking to take trades today. Got got a little bit of work to do. This is going to be distracting. Wow, we got a pretty decent ATR, eh? 13 points. $46,000, 46,000 on the volume. I gotta add something onto this. Give me a sec. Text. out here, and if we get 8 players to register for the giveaway game, we'll run it for the qualifiers. But yeah, I'm not really trading. I got work to do, so I'm going to take care of it and just hanging out. I was saying that I'm stressed and I'm trying to figure out which one I want to remove a word. Yeah. Exclamation mark giveaway or exclamation mark game or exclamation mark enter. That's my big problem right now. How about we let you pick? We'll make it easier. Why don't we go with exclamation mark game? It's only 4 letters. Okay, let's put Butters in the qualifier. Skeletor got 2 today. So Skeletor is in the daytime. Also, we're doing it in the daytime. We're doing it in the evening. Save and apply. Let me get the message out so nobody's confused. Make it a little smaller. Properties. Select font. 256. Yeah, make it bigger. Opacity. Background. How do we choose a background color? There we go. Yeah, you know what? We'll make it game file. Save. Did you do any trading today? It was tough. I don't know. I had such a good day yesterday. Every time I have such a good day, the next day I struggle. Very, very fast and furious the action was today. We had an ATR of like 40, 50 for a while there. Average range on the 1-minute candles was crazy high. Very hard to get in, especially when you're trading manually. I'm laughing. Overtraded. I don't think anyone overtraded more than I did. I don't think it's possible even. I create these systems that give you signals like every 6 seconds. It's terrible. Actually, though, you know what? And in the end, I don't know. I got this one here with the Renkos. I kind of like it. A mini and a half or 10 ticks at a time on ES. Yeah, you know what? The volatility was there today. That's pretty good. 10 ticks. ES, you're talking about 50, 100, $125, eh? Yeah, I'm going to take it easy tomorrow. I got to get back on track. Okay, where's a good place to put this? How about bottom corner right there? I think we've been getting, been getting the moves. But like I said, very hard, at least I don't know for others, but I guess it depends on how much you're going for and stuff, but very hard for me to get in, especially if I'm trying for a better price. We get triggered in, let's say, just for example, at 509 for a long. I click buy the bid, and 509 is showing on my chart, and the bid is like 516 or what? Like, how did that happen? I just paid 7 points more. And then by the time I try to adjust the trade and figure out what I want to do, it's trading under 500. I'm down 16 points. Very, very quick. Who are you trading with now? Just curious. You have a bunch of firms? Okay, I've got another victim. Save and apply. Change the color on my text. Still Bullnox Project Docs on one account. Yeah, thanks for reminding me, actually. I want to send an email out to Bullnox. I'm curious to know if I should rotate my accounts back to Rhythmic and Ninja Trader. They didn't say anything. The only company that announced anything to me was daytraders.com. They gave a little bit of an announcement. But nobody else. I find that strange. And then I tried to get that back up again, try to maybe get a little bit more information. Nothing. There's nothing on the Project X website. I looked on Facebook. I looked on Twitter. Did you see anything anywhere? Just curious. I'm not sure what you mean by why is that. Why do I want to change? Well, you heard right. Project X is going exclusive for Top Step. I don't know if that's what your question was. So nobody will have Project X anymore. All the companies have to go and find alternates. I mean, they all have alternates, except for maybe Day Traders also has it, I think. They have an alternate. They have alternates. I thought daytraders.com was only Project X. Yeah, that's a surprise that they would go exclusive for Top Step. Top Step makes that much money, or I don't know. I've heard that Michael Patak or whatever was part of the ownership of Project X. So who knows? I don't have time to spend to investigate and try to figure out what the truth is. You read one thing, you don't know if that's really true or not. And I don't want to report on anything that's going back to Rhythmic. I'm not a fan of Rhythmic. I prefer, if I'm going to use Ninja Trader, I want to do it with Tradeovate. What can you do? Beggars can't be choosers, right? You're getting an account for, whatever Bullinox charges. I guess you just take it and take what they give you and shut up. But now that you reminded me, oops, missed it. Decent volume. Let me take a look at the 30-minute here. Wow, no kidding, eh? You overall bullish, bearish? What do you think's going to happen since the start of November? I don't know if you remember, me and Omnius were talking about statistically November is always a bullish month. Where did he see it? I think he saw it in TradingView. He saw statistics, and it showed that November is always a bullish month. Or 10 out of the last 12 were bullish. But you know what? In all honesty, first it was showing October, then it switched over to November. But anyways, regardless, we've the daily is looking a little weak. And the reason why I say that is we've gotten below the 50. We've been able to trade above the 50-period moving average since the beginning of May. We wicked below it a few times, but now the volatility's increased, and we've gotten below it. We're just bouncing off the 100 now. Got a couple of levels at 24,200. Okay, so first thing on the agenda, since you reminded me, let me go contact Bullinox and see if they recommend getting Project X or switching over. I don't think you can have two accounts, with two different types of accounts. I'd sound bearish. Yeah, I'm watching that 24,200 level. If we break that, let me take a look again at the 30-minute. If we break that, actually, it shows better on the daily. Forget the 30-minute. Yeah, if we break the 200, and the next level we're looking at, where there's a lot of support, is around 23,000. I mean, we got a lot of support levels because we've been coming up from the 17,000 area. We've been trading higher and, getting some pullbacks, going higher, pullback higher, pullback higher, pullback higher, pullback higher. So looking left, there's a lot of different support areas. Bearish, eh? No Santa rally? That's the thing that I have on my mind, though. I don't know. I keep thinking this is a fake out. No Santa rally. That would be crazy. Okay, now let's go contact Bullinox. Well, I would think that's a more fun site to trade on anyways, to be honest with you. Those moves are faster. Who doesn't love an insta dump, when you get paid off so quickly? I mean, seriously, I just said we've been rising since May. We can wipe that all out like in a month. Hey, JC, somebody's streaming. Not really. I'm just running the game. I'm actually doing work, believe it or not, on my other screen. I'm just giving people the opportunity to win an account. You're my wife. You don't qualify. You going to bed soon? 7:30, JC? Oh shit. Really? I have a ticket that requires my attention? Soon. CK's been rubbing off on me. He loves a good short. How's he doing lately? Is he cleaning up in this volatility? Does he find it hard to get his entries? My boys are getting a little frustrated because they have very specific entries. It's not like a range, not like an area. They need their price. They've been having a hard time getting filled. Price just runs away way too quickly. How do I open a ticket on the help desk? Okay. You know what? That's a good idea, eh? Thanks for making me think of that. Curious to see what the ATR was pre-market. Yeah, you know what? That's prime. Look at that. Beautiful. 16, 17. That's where I like it to be. 16, 17 on the 1 minute chart. Average true range. And we go into 930 and boom, 54. 40, 10 o'clock, it's still 40 points. Average range on the 1 minute, 40 points. Then 10:30, we're back up to 50. Yeah, like I said, it's very hard to enter, especially when you're scalping for 7 points. And in 1 minute, we're moving 50. Some of my trades today were, I swear to God, I think we're in microseconds. Forget seconds. You opened my eyes to something. Maybe I'm going to start a little earlier tomorrow. Okay, let's go back to Bullinox. What do I need? Boom, 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 boom. Mm. Yeah, ES, you know what? That's also another idea. When it gets crazy, super volatile, I'm actually even going to suggest that to my boys. Maybe they should be taking trades in ES instead. This is weird. Where the hell is I know where it is. Are you still around? Let's have some fun. I did it today for a guy named Lilith. Lalith. I don't know what it was. Hold on. We're going to play a one-player game. Let's see if I can get you to qualify. It's 7:30. Let's have a little fun. I'm going to take a break. Hold on. Delete, 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 delete. Delete, delete, delete. We'll do it. Oh, it's true. I got to run it on high speed too. Eh? Save and apply. One player loaded. Time scale 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 5. Let's do 5, 6. Okay. Apply settings. There we go. Okay, one player game. Butters against himself. Can you qualify before you stop out? If you qualify, you're in Thursdays. You know what? Who are the qualifiers anyways? Qualifiers. What do I have for the evening qualifiers so far? I have Omnius. He can win at evening because he doesn't stream with me. Twisted. Smooth operator. It was in the daytime. Omnius. G-game. Okay, Omnius. That's all you got to do. Omnius, you're entered in, but I'm giving, we're doing a single butters. Let's see, give him one shot. Let's see if he can get in without stopping. Oh, he almost stopped out immediately. Let's see if he can break through and get himself, he's lucky. The wind's blowing in the right direction for him there. Anybody want to take bets? Bouncing his head, bumping his head up against the same place there. Giving himself a headache. You know what? He's got a couple of really good pegs blocking the stop-out box. So he might get lucky. He might get lucky. Oh, this doesn't look good. Oh, hit a peg. Blowing to the left side. Knocking out the top bricks slowly. Hasn't turned anyone white yet. There we go. There we go. What? One white one. After they turn white, they disappear. Almost stopped out. And look at that. One more, you can get over the hump. And you'll have a wall to block you also, to keep you on the right side. Now you got 2 cracks in the foundation. No. It's taking me away from... I'm finding an excuse not to do my work. Oh, look who makes it through onto the other side. Butters. You did it. You got a wall. Oh, man. Unbelievable. Poor guy. Okay. Bigger holes in the wall, but once the holes get bigger, it's harder to stay just on the right side of the board. I've played this so many times I start to see patterns, and to be honest with you, this looks like the pattern where you're going to get stopped out. Oh well. It's true. Everyone wins. I have to change that message. Didn't I change that message? That's weird. I changed that message when I sent it to you, Omnius. Oh, no, we gotta. That was the game. Add a player. Okay, well, Butters, we gave it the old college try, eh? Really? You missed all my play-by-play action? That's terrible. Everyone wins. Shit. Okay. Futures. Add a player. Omnius. Add a player. Doesn't say jackpot. That's supposed to say jackpot. Where is that message coming from? 2.2? Why is it even saying break that stuff? Oh, that's in the title. Okay, we'll change that. Open with. Oh, hold on. Butters. Add a player. Twisted. Add a player. Sparky, you're having a heart attack. I'm laughing. My cat's going nuts. I think my cat says arthritis and Alzheimer's and dementia all at the same time. Yeah, eh? No kidding. Wow, that was quick for player 9. Okay, Bullinox, open a ticket. Submit a new ticket. General question, technical question. Request to switch trading platform Rhythmic to Project X. No, how about it's request to discover if I'm supposed to abandon? Let's call it a general question. I don't think it matters. Technical issue? It's not a technical, I don't know, general question. Okay, let's see what they say. If I should be purchasing Rhythmic accounts going forward. Take a quick look at the markets. We just bounced off. Wow, pretty decent dump there. We just bounced off VWAP 66 and just fell down to almost 36 in a second. 31 is the close at 5 o'clock. That was swift. Oh, okay, we're on next. Got my Bullinox out of the way. We'll see what they say. We'll see what they say tomorrow. Yeah, that is true. That is true. Got a couple of emails I got to answer. Omni, is she still there? I'm not sure what the no was for. Was that for the are you still there? I'm looking around. I'm multitasking, and I'm confused. But you are still there because you wrote no, anyways. So yeah, you should check your email again for earn to trade. Looks like they just sent out another round. I know it sounds weird, but seems like I got another email from them. Like they didn't know that they already contacted me. But this guy can't be that lazy, though. This is crazy what he sends. Really? Okay. That sucks. We'll leave it like that. Wood chip is right. Rigged. I don't know. Butterstone draws 18. Dealer draws high number. Dealer draws high number. Dealer draws high number. I got to get my other one back up. I have a game night, so why isn't this working? No kidding. That's strange. Okay. Hey, Bama. Nothing. Just, hey, doing some work. Had a crappy day today in the market, so taking it easy this evening here. Not really planning on trading. I did take one trade. Got my eye, the corner of my eye on the charts, but try to get some work done. Let's enter you in today's qualifiers also. Why not? You don't even have to type in game. Look at that. Look how easy I make it. Let's add to the roster. What do we got? Futures, Omnius, Butters, Twisted. Let's get Bama, add player, save and apply. Remember what you see right here. Hope tomorrow's better for you. Yeah, it will be. I'll just, I'll take it easy. Hey, technically I have an edge if I consistently lose, deal me in. Yeah, that is true. Nope, haven't seen him. Hey, you made me curious also about what's the price of I haven't looked at cryptocurrency in a long time. Yeah, trading cryptocurrency, coin market cap 92,000, hey, on Bitcoin. Interesting. I didn't think it would go down that low. Ethereum 3000, XRP 221. XRP's holding nice. I used to have Cardano. What's it at? 47 cents. No kidding. I thought it was higher than that. Doge. Wow. It's like looking up old stocks when you haven't seen them in a long time. Shiba Inu is at a half a cent. Is that it? Am I reading that right? PayPal? No kidding. I didn't know PayPal has a coin. PayPal has a coin, and what's 31? Bitcoin. What's the what's that word they used? Not its market cap, how much it's weighting in the entire. They don't show that anymore. They used to show that right at the top. What percentage of the market is made up just of Bitcoin? I don't see it. Anyways, that's interesting. Stop trading Bitcoin. There's too many things. Stop following gold also, actually. Yep, ruins in South Africa. Who knows? You know what? Possibly got hurt in the dump on Bitcoin, and you get discouraged. So hey, McDonald's is having a promotion. Get free French fries with a minimum purchase every Friday. Anyone want to go to McDonald's on Friday? Top One Trader, biggest sale of the year. Anybody use Top One Trader? Instant funding, $117. Wow, that's pretty good. 80% off. MetaTrader 5. Ooh, I prefer MetaTrader 4. But that's pretty cool. Instant funding, $117. 50K account. You know, you guys, even if you're using MetaTrader, you can still trade the. I mean, you have to check with the firm. I'm not an affiliate with them, so I don't know their out of this world savings, up to 80% off everything this month. Visit site. Yeah, you got to check which instruments they let you trade, but usually when you're trading MT5, MetaTrader 5, you have access to the indexes. You have the NAS, you have the Dow, you have the ES. What else do you have? You got the DAX, the German index. You got gold, you got cryptocurrencies. I wonder if they actually offer all that. I should keep that in mind. I should take a quick look. I'm curious. I'm not going to sign up with them, but I'm curious. Maybe if I go to Facebook and I look them up, see what people say about them. What was it? Top One Trader, right? Search Facebook. How do you know which one is the official one? Do they have looks like there's 10,000 top one trader. We are giving away top one trader. We are giving away 1 million trading challenges. So are we. It's just going to take a long time. 'Wow, I don't understand how they allow so many people on Facebook to have the same name. Once someone has a name, that's it. It shouldn't be allowed to be duplicated. $6.3. Hmm. That's funny. Oh, sorry. On mute, and I didn't even tell you my answer. No, I'm not a country music. I mean, yeah, I like country music, but I couldn't. My daughter's a fan. I couldn't name you a band or anything like that, but I do like the style of music, definitely. I made quite a few opening songs that I used to play in the beginning that were country music style, I would say. It was Trades by Matt because he had his Nasdaq Cowboy song. I don't know if you know it. So that one got me to do stuff like that. No, my daughter's a huge country music fan, though. So what have we been doing all ding, 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 omnius? What have we been doing? We traded higher, got under view up, came down, tapped into the previous day's close or the 5 o'clock close, stayed below it for a few minutes, went back above it, came back below it, went back above it. Old style, if you're going to tell me old style, I'm going to be thinking Dolly Parton, Tammy Wynette. That was a pretty decent push. 510 to 610 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes, 100 points. Something happened. Okay, next. I keep doing that. A-O-O-O. That's funny. Well, still going higher. Are you at work now, Butters? Hello. Okay, it's 8:30. We play a game. Omnius writes game. We play a game. What? Unfortunately, YouTube does not support retrieval setting of a stream game at this time. That was weird. Yeah, I know. That's funny. Let me try that. I guess that's a code in Nightbot. That's funny. Okay, let's play a game with what we got. It is what it is. It's 8:30. It's time to play one. Let me apply the settings. Time scale 4. Perfect. Apply. Give it a second. Who do we got? Omnius, Butters, Twisted, and Bama. Sure, why not? Why not? Let me remove the warm-up message. It's no longer a warm-up. Oh, you know what? Let me just check something here. Let me see if I can. I just want to see something. Change the opacity of it. Is there an opacity? What is that? If I put it all at 60 and 60, what does that look like? If I make it white. Getting there, don't worry. Bedtime. Lucky you. I got so much work to do. Okay. That's good. That's visible. Okay, 8:30. Let's play it. For all the beans. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. Got to get rid of the bogus players. There we go. There we go. In the evening, Omnius, you qualified already once. We got only 3 qualifiers for the evening so far. Bama on the right side. Boom. Ooh, he almost made it in. Almost got deflected in. Okay, we got Butters, Bama, and Omnius. Butters. Sorry, Butters. Bama making it onto the right side again. Omnius trying, but he might float into the stop out. Oh, he avoids it. Bama might float into the winner's box. Nope. Oh, Omnius is coming to challenge. From all the way across the screen. No, he changes his mind, goes back onto the left side of the board. And, oh, Bama could have almost floated in. Omnius comes back again to challenge. Bouncing around. Looks like he's going to give Bama a bump in. Oh, Bama, if you would have hit that peg, you would have gone in. Omnius floating, going to hit the border. Oh, Omnius, you're going to go in the box. I think you're going to go. Ah, Bama knocked you out of it. You were on your way in. I almost want to see a replay of that. Bama still hanging around on the right side of the screen. Omnius looking to cause trouble. Bama almost got a good bounce. It's Bama underneath. I think it's going to go to Bama the way I'm seeing it. Last time I called it right. Bama really looks like he's hanging around on the right side of the screen. Going to get a little bit of a bump there. Float down. Hit the wall. He's just got to hit one peg. There we go. Ooh, didn't hit it strong enough, but now maybe to get a right bump. There he goes. Oh, shit. The peg bumped him out. Omnius gives him a knock. He was going in. And he's on the wrong side of the board now. Now that peg saved him from getting stopped out. And that peg saved him from getting stopped out. Omnius is gone. Bama, it's all up to you. And he makes it in. Did I call it or what? Okay. Bama. Put Bama as a qualifier. Congratulations. You will be in Thursday night's draw. It's rigged. Control copy. Evening Control V. It is Tuesday, November 18th. All right. And Bama. Okay, well, we have a nice assortment of players. Have a good night on this. Enjoy your sleep. I'm going to do some work trying to get that video out. And I will see you in the morning. Say hi to your family. Tell S she didn't stop out. Mhm. Hey, Butters, I think you qualified. Who was it that qualified? Come on, I was so close to TP. Wait, I'm not sure. Qualifiers. Oh, no, sorry. See, it starts with the letter B. It was Bama. So close. Same first letter. Well, if I'm still around, we'll run it again. We get a couple entries. Entrance, registrants, whatever you want to call it. Oh, I'm sure you'll get in. I have a feeling there's not a lot of people hanging around. Not a lot of competition. There we go. That's good. Took a little profit out on that trade there. It was long. Got 7 points. Okay, let's work on my, let's clean up the thing here. Oh, you can use it as a practice account. What am I doing? Cleaning up my cash. So what time you working? Going past midnight? Till 11. Oh, not bad. My daughter gets the evening shift, I won't say often, but often enough at the hospital where she works. You know what? I think, honestly, it's much better because, I mean, I know you don't know the cities here. It's in Montreal. I'm in Laval. It's in another city. If you're going in the morning during rush hour and coming home during rush hour, you're losing almost 2.5 hours, 3 hours in the car in a day. That's too much. That's way too much. But when she gets the evening shift, it's like 25 minutes, a half an hour each way, 22 minutes. I don't know. I think driving in rush hour is soul crushing, especially if you do it every day. I went out the other day in the morning. Oh my God. We live, I don't know, about 2 miles from the auto route. And the entrance to the auto route was the lineup to get on the auto route was about a mile long. I said, wow. I can't imagine, these people, they got to drive into Montreal and like they're, crawling at half a mile an hour in the morning every day. Oh my God. It's not like there was a snowstorm or anything. That's just regular. The only time it's not like that is construction holidays. I don't know if you guys have the construction holidays. We got some holiday over here. It's called the construction holidays in, I think it's the last 2 weeks of July or the first 2 weeks. Anyways, the whole province, which is like a state, so we'll call it a state, even though it's not, it's a province, is on vacation. Everybody. So it's like the roads are deserted. But other than that, traffic's bad. They're always doing construction for some reason. Okay, let's open up NinjaTrader. I'm down $30 for the evening. So really, you're trading minis? ES minis? That's pretty cool. I never made the transition to minis. Maybe I should try one account like that. Do one lot to see how I do. I'd be curious to see how that goes. Revenge trading. Yeah. I know about that. I made a lot of progress with my psychological issues, but I don't know if the word has slipped up, but I lost a lot of the progress I made. I don't know what the word is for that, but damn, it's hard to be disciplined. That's all I can say. And I think it really comes down to the fact that we're only responsible to ourselves. We're not responsible to anybody else. If you're responsible to somebody else, it's like, look, it's a boss. Of course you're going to follow the rules. It's amazing, eh? But when we're responsible just to ourselves, we break the rules. The thing is, I was doing so good and I was so happy with my trading when I was following the rules. Strange. Human beings are strange. Okay, I have a problem with NinjaTrader. I don't know what it is. I deleted a whole bunch of strategies and they're still there. Futures. Stopping the what doing came back once I cooled down. Yeah. You know what? We always feel better. That's the thing. And I know that already. We always feel better when we walk away. I remember I had that conversation even with my son. The first time to get him to walk away was so hard. He resisted. I kept saying, hold on, saving him. Oh, no. You're not coming on my desk. No. You made a mess last night. Say hello. What was I saying? Yeah. It was very hard to get him to walk away. I kept telling him, just do it one time. See how you feel the next day. Oh, it was weird. And yeah, you always feel better when you do it. You're always happy you did it. Hey, stop. 200. Are you talking 200 points or 200 $200? That's 20 points. $200. But if you're talking 200 points, that's on a 5 lot, that's $2,000. I assume you're talking $200. Especially since you said it's too small. Okay, let's start. New strategy builder without even loading the charts. Okay, perfect. New tools. Ninja script editor. But I think the target, and I was going to talk to my kids about that too. I think the target has a lot to do with the volatility also. Like 10 points in the evening when the ATR is 2 points. And you're going for with the average range of the 1 minute candles is like 2 points, 2.5 points, and you have a 10 point target. Shit, you can wait an hour for that. And today, a 10 point target could, I think 10 point targets, most of them would have been hit in under a second. There's a good amount of volume still also in the markets. That's the strange thing. There's a lot of volume coming into the markets during the sell-off. Today also, I was tracking the volume. It was very high. We got down to previous day's close, or the 5 o'clock close, whatever you want to call it. Obviously, tomorrow it'll be the previous day's close. Right now, it's the 5 o'clock close. Wow, so we shot up 100 points from 510 to 630 in like 10 minutes. And then we're taking a half an hour and we drift right back down. Odd. That's odd behavior. My mic on? Yeah, it is. Nine o'clock. Gold is opening, and the cumulative delta on gold is drifting lower. I didn't even know I had that on. Hey. Trash rat. Is my mic on? Yeah, it's live. I just took a quick break. How you doing? This is chat. I'm still live. It is, it is. It is. We ran a small qualifier. Let's get you in our next one. Joker, let's put you in also. What do we got? We had Butters before and Bama. Bama won. Just watching. Well, we had two crazy bounces off the 5 o'clock close, off the 5:30 level. First one at 8 o'clock, 8:10, whatever. That was 100 and some odd points. And now again. but not really trading. I took a couple of quick scalps for 7 points. Joker. Let's get him in here. We'll save you guys the typing. You get automatic entry. Still warm up. Butter. I missed most of what you were saying about adjusting prob attack. It's my boss game. I always have my screen as giveaway game. Yeah, that's it. I'm not really watching the markets. I'm doing work. I got some work I got to take care of. I'm writing writing some code also. So I figured, you know what? If people come in, hang out, we'll run the qualifiers for Thursday evenings giveaway. What do we got? We don't have a lot of people qualified yet, actually. So we'll run one more tonight. And we'll see. Maybe we'll run even. Hey, you know what? Hold on. Qualifiers. Let's get that open. For the evening. I only got 4 qualifiers so far for the evening. It's Tuesday. So you know what? Let's have some fun. Let's run another one. I need qualifiers. What do we got? We got Joker, Butters. I can't win. Trash 1, 2, 3. Am I missing somebody? Joker, Butters, Trash Rat. We'll have a couple of phantom players running a little bit of interference. 3 versus 3. Can I help you set up your charts? Yeah, I don't mind. You show up. I'll help you set up your charts. I assume you mean with the Ninzarenkos and stuff. Actually, I even created oh yes, sure. I got to take care of something there. I even created a page in my Discord, I think, on with a link for the Ninzarenkos. Yeah, but no problem. I'll help you set up your charts. Actually, I can probably even copy some of my templates. So you don't even have to set up your chart. You just load the template, and then, of course, you adjust it for your own preferences. But, you know, at least it's a good starting point. Here, let me change my screen. Scenes. Ninja Trader. Oh, I don't have the Renko. Yeah, but anyways, you just there's templates. So yeah, I can probably just even download those, and it'll give you a good starting point. And you change things around. You know, you try this, try that on sim, of course, on demo only. So what do we got? Close, 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 close. We got 2 players running interference. We got Trash Rat, Joker, Butters. And also futures running interference. Okay, so this is an official game. Let's get rid of the warm-up banner. It's not a warm-up. Let me increase the speed. We don't want to watch it at 0.01. 3 is good. Apply. And away we go. Let's see who takes this one. Who gets into the qualifying round or into the final. Joker, Butters, player 5, player 6 running interference. Trash Rat, whoa, was almost going into the stop out box, but got knocked away. Futures running interference, gone. Player 6 gone. So that's good. That leaves player 5 running interference, Trash Rat, Joker, and Butters. Player 5 almost got knocked into the stop out box. Butters, no. Butters. Player 5, that just leaves Joker and Trash Rat. How could you not like this game, huh? I love it. Oh, Trash Rat. Oh, no. It's a qualifier for Thursday's Joker. Come on, Joker. Look at him bouncing. I think he's gone. Still? It still says that. Okay, there's an error. That's supposed to say everyone got stopped out. I got to fix that. We got to, everyone stops out. Everyone run it again. It's a qualifier for, oh, you know what? I think hold on. I didn't do a refresh. That's why. Now I think the message has been changed. Let's go. Everyone stops out. We run it again. Thursday night, if you qualify, if you win Thursday night, you're in the final, and I give away an account, a 50K eval. We do it in the morning also, but they're separate. The one in the morning and the one in the evening. So we have different qualifiers. Let's make the pegs. I don't know what color is a good color for the pegs. How about a blue? There we go. That's a nice blue. Okay, let's make the ball size. Let's get a little bit bigger balls. And what else do we want to change? Peg size. Let's get some bigger pegs. Let's change it up a little bit. Okay, apply. Who do we got as players? I almost forgot. Everyone stopped out. We have Butters, Joker, Trash Rat, and 1, 2, 3, 4, player 5, and player 6. So yeah, basically, did I win by default? By default. Add the players, even apply. Okay, let's go again. Everyone got stopped out. Easy to see. Huge balls, huge pegs. Bigger pegs cause more damage maybe to the wall. Oh boy. A couple of people bouncing around there a little fast. This is going to be a quick game. The big balls make him bounce faster. I didn't even know that. Player 6 might get knocked into the pit. Trash Rat gave him a bump. Oh, Butters just gave player 6 another bump. Player 6 made it to the right side. Futures is on the right side. Of course, Futures can't win. We just run it again. If Futures wins, Butters stopped out. We got Trash Rat and Joker left. The other three monkeys in the game are just there to interfere, just to cause trouble. Future stopped out. Yeah, it's going to be again Joker and Trash Rat. Joker stopped out. That just leaves Trash Rat. Trash Rat's up to you. If not, we'll run it again. You're on your own. Playing against player 5 and player 6, whose job it is to keep you away from the winner's pit. Player 5, he takes the win. Let's fire it again. One of you guys will eventually get it. I'll stay here till morning if I have to. Butters is always the first one stopped out. Every game. I know what I'm going to do next game. If I don't get a winner in this game, we're going to do a burst instead of a fire. Everyone gets shot out of the cannon at the same time. Once again, Trash Rat and Joker battling it out. Joker knocks out the top peg. Someone can cross over. There we go. Trash Rat. Oh, almost made it to the right side of the board. Joker cleaning out some pegs there. The right side of the board is accessible. Joker's in a good spot right now to float in. Made it back onto the left side of the board. That was supposed to be working. Oh, Joker hits the bumper of the stop out. Player 5, once again, looming dangerous around the winner's box. Joker has a nice angle there. I think this one's going to Joker. I'm calling it. I think this one's going to Joker. He looks like he's in a good spot. For a deflection. Almost got the deflection there. Trash Rat's just floating around on the left side of the board. I think he's got... Oh, look at that. Look at that. He shoots across the board in one shot. No, goes back. There's something about the left side of the board that Trash Rat likes. Oh, there you go. There you go. You're in a good spot now. Nope. You might hit the bumper. You might go in. You hit the bumper. So close. Oh, hits the bumper again at high speed. Didn't get deflected in. Okay, now we got a bunch of players hanging around. No kidding. Wow. There we go. How did that happen? I don't even know. Do we get a... That works for me. We got a winner. Trash Rat. Add it to the qualifiers. Okay, show up Thursday evening. That was fun. That looked rigged. Yeah, that was a bug. Play that in slow motion, huh? You know what it is, actually? If it hits a wall, each wall has a different speed, and it hits two. I don't know what collisions. That's it. It's two collisions. It's the side wall of the stop out and the floor, and it really gives a boost to speed. And if you go too fast, you can make it. You kind of teleport through walls. So Trash Rat hit the teleport. Hey, that's how the game plays. That's how the game plays. Anybody hits the corner there, I guess it'll happen to them as well. It wasn't just for him. Well, I can run one more later on. What time is it? 9:16, 10 o'clock? I need a replay on that. No, don't replay it. File, save. Why? It's good. It works for everybody. I've seen that before. It's exactly in the corner when you hit both the floor and the wall. It gets doubled. The collision speed gets doubled, and it just teleports the ball onto right across the board. But if the resistance wall or the wall there, the breakout bricks, if the breakout bricks are still there, that wouldn't happen. But the breakout bricks weren't there at the time. Hey, I got a little trade I can try and take here for a one lot. Long, let's see. I'm long at 14, targeting 21. So close. Come on, take me out. There we go. That was a beautiful one. Nah, we'll run one more. You'll get in, Joker. You'll have multiple entries, I'm certain. I'm certain everybody will have multiple entries. I allow actually even You can win 2, 3, 4 balls for Thursday's game. All you got to do is show up. I enter you in. You're here already. You're gonna make it in my last game. Joker. All you got to do is chat. Right now, I got futures and Joker. You're on your own. On the next one. Hey, you know what? I'm bored anyways. Let's do, you can still enter if you're not subscribed to the channel. Sure. What do I care? Save and apply. Hold on. Let's do a Joker. I'm going to put the speed up really, well, not really high because you'll just fly through the wall. I'll put it at max. Max where you don't fly through walls. Apply. Let's do a Joker. Let's see if Joker can get in the pit on his own. Right. Okay. Yeah. There is no warm-up message. Let's just make sure. Warm-up game. Nope. Message is off. That means this is an official game. Joker. Hey, how's the beard, Joker? Are you growing it back? Just curious. Let's go. Joker, can he make it into the pit? Playing all on his own. Let's have I like to do this. I like to give a person a shot all on their own. But you got to clear out all the bricks on your own. That's the problem also. You don't have assistance. Getting long. Oh, yeah. I went to go see a Journey cover band. The guy had a nice beard. Not long, but I mean, I don't know. I'd say 4 or 5 inches with nicely shaped. Almost got me in the mood to want to grow one like that. Yeah, this was okay. Trash Rat, you chatted. You're in the next round. Yeah, they are. We had a good time. It was Journey. My wife surprised me. Stopped out. Everyone's ouch. There we go. The message is fixed. Ouch. Everyone stopped out. Perfect. Should be red though. Why is it green? Got to change the color of that. We tried. Okay, Trash Rat. Let's get you in for the next round. You're here. Got to give the accounts away anyways, right? Add a player, futures. I always have to play. Someone's got to run resistance. Add a player, 1, 2, 3, player 4. Let's do it. No, the last one, it'll be the third one, so that'll be when I get off, probably at 10 o'clock. Play or give other people a chance to show up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Player 6. I'm even supposed to run these only with 8, but nobody's coming in, so it is what it is, right? Save and apply. 6 players loaded. And in the meantime, we're back to warm-up status. And we'll just, nope. Warm-up status, we do it at slow speed. That's too many balls. There we go. Burst. Boom. Everybody out in the same shot. Okay, I'll get back to doing my work. So far, I lost $7 today trading. Not bad. I got down as far as 113. Made it back slowly. While I'm working. Charts aren't showing. Hey, you know what I can do? Maybe the charts would show. All I got to do is put the game on transparent. Let's try that. Add. What do I want to do? Window capture? Let's try window capture. Never did that. Let's see if it works. You have no idea which one it is, eh? This one? Huh, I caught it. That's so funny. What did I do? Why did my game disappear? Hello. Don't ask me why. I have no idea. It is still playing. Okay. We just bring in a new one, that's all. Window capture. Let's just call it. It is not difficult. Game. Okay. Select the window. Chrome. Breakout. Automatic. Capture audio. Okay. There we go. Make it full size. Bring this down to here. Okay, we're back in business again. There we go. Lock. Is the audio working? Audio properties. Output. Close. Properties. Capture audio. That'll probably work eventually. What time are you going to be here until? I think 10 o'clock. I mean, I don't know. I'm kind of getting distracted with the game and stuff, but oh, we got another trade. We got a long. Let's see if I can get filled. There we go. Long at 08, targeting 15. We'll see what happens. Okay, so what did I want to do? I wanted game. I wanted to add a filter. That's what screwed me up so much. There we go. Close. Why is my Renko chart not showing either? Start it again. Window capture. Something happened with my window captures. Okay, the name is already in use. Really? No, it's not. Cancel. Ting! We missed it. So why is it being blocked? Oh, it's going under the background. That's why. Can't put it under the background. There we go. That seems really confusing. Let's try this. Properties. There we go. Now we only got one problem. Oh, that has to go on top. Okay, my chart's kind of there. Hey, that looks kind of cool, actually. I like it. Chart's there. Butters, you're still around. Okay, Butters, you chatted. You're in. Be you for the final round before I leave, whatever time that is. Trash Rat, Joker, Futures, Butters. Jesus Christ. Butters. Save and apply. Fire. Just make sure it's fine. There we go. Yeah, no, these are warm-up rounds. Warm-up game. Qualifier starts, well, usually when 8 people register, but since 8 people aren't registering, when I leave, I'll play the last one. And I like that chart underneath, especially since that's the one that I'm taking the trades off of. Well, that's really weird because the name isn't in use, but whatever. That's pretty cool. So let's take a trade and see if it shows up. I like that. So am I green? Yeah, I am. I'm green $6. Look at that. I made a comeback from minus 113. That's impressive. Yeah, they're underneath over there. I'm not really here to trade though tonight, Chris. It's like I said, I got work to do. I'm answering emails, so I'm taking care of some work. I'm kind of watching that chart there, the one underneath this one. I'm taking my trades off it. It's 40.28. That's what I told you. That's one of my favorite ones. The game is transparent. If I take a trade, you'll kind of see it under there. But I'm not really watching it because I'm doing my work. So I actually had a message saying that I'm just hanging out. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? There we go. Let's copy it. Control, copy, down to the bottom. Yeah, there you go. Just hanging out. Yeah, just here to play the game. Get some qualifiers for Thursday. And meantime, get some work done. So what was I on? What was my next job to do? Perfect. Works. It works. It works. It works. Oh, you got to be kidding me. How we doing? How are we doing? Let's take a look. Yeah, we're making new highs, for the evening session. Couple of really strong bounces off the 5 o'clock close. So pretty much we've been green all evening. Green meaning trading above the 5 o'clock close. Dealer draws 46, twisted 41. Rigged. No. We're consolidating here. Trading sideways at the 637 level. Let's see if we can get a close under 31. Got an ATR of 11 points, so yeah, still pretty good for an evening session. I have to say. Okay, get back to work. Hey, sorry, Sparks. I think we need this light. No, you still can't come on the desk. It's not for you over here. Stop trying. Boom. Go down. Come on, Sparky. There you go. Have a little snack. Cat. Yeah. Cat. Cat wants to run across the keyboard all the time. Okay, what was I doing? Give me a second. I just got feeding mine. Oh, we free feed. He always has food in his bowl. I know some people say that's not a good thing to do. Doesn't seem to be a problem. But my cat is a cookie maniac. I mean, we used to have this other one, a cookie, a treat, whatever I call them, cookies. But then we bought these things, Temptations. I don't know, where's the camera there? Does it show? Let's see. I'm making a commercial for Temptations. It's too bright, eh? Angle it closer. We'll try one more thing here. Nah. Anyways, you kind of saw it. Temptations. These little things, little nuggets with some kind of soft center or something. Seafood medley. The cat is, I don't know, wild for this thing. He attacks the box. He knocks it over. The other stuff he used to eat, but wasn't that crazy about it. This stuff, it's like he's addicted to them. Okay, another errand. Taken care of. Who else do we got? Twisted. Twisted. Okay, Twist. Hey, winner Joker. Hopefully it says warm-up game. Yes, it does. Poor Joker. Joker wins all the warm-up games. Do we have Twisted in? Joker, Trash Rat, Futures, Butters. Twisted. Twisted won twice already. Save and apply. Still in a warm-up round. Another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to get going. Okay, done. That's taken care of. Oh, wow, that was weird. Close. Live. Hey, what happened to my charts? What do I want to check? This one, let's say. full screen. Poor guy. Come here. There. More. Does the Discord link work? Looks like it's working. Discord, continue to Discord. Okay, cool. The Discord link looks like it still works. What else? TikTok link. Check my links. Do maintenance. Taurus Arena. Really? I did that? I don't even remember doing that. That's weird. Okay, who's screwing up my screen? There you go. Who's Discord? No kidding, eh? We're still hanging around the 630 to 644 area. Okay, what's next on the menu? Strategy builder. Let's build a strategy. I'm going to sell 2 here on my sim account. With the stop being a close on the 1 minute chart above 43.50. Horizontal line. There we go. If we can close above that. So I'm short 2 at 638. Stop is a close above 43.50. And the funny thing is, it smells like someone is making fudge or brownies in my house. I'm getting in the mood for warm chocolate cookies. Ah! Do we get a stop above 43.50? Oh my God, I'm down 23 bucks so far. Wow, it's down 113. Boom, boom, boom. Ugh. We're getting there. Wow, now it's a really good trade. I almost was going to add to that cookie time for me or the cat. Shit, I said a stop at 43.50, and we were like, not a stop, not at 43.50, a close above 43.50. We were right there. That's like a perfect place to enter because your stop is. Oh yeah, I wish we don't have. My family is not into sweets. Neither am I, really. Can't really say I have a sweet tooth. I got a salt addiction. Don't take away my salt. That's my problem. Okay, the volatility is falling. Average range is down at 8 points, 9 points. It is almost 10 o'clock. We will play our last round in 3 minutes. I would say, why are you still up? But then you can say the same thing back to me, eh? We're going to get a close above. Let's see. If we do, I stop out. How much time left in this candle? 30 seconds. That's the thing I hate about using stops that require a close. Butters, you're here. You know what? Butters, if you're around, we're going to play it right away. More fun when we got spectators. Okay, so let me get rid of the warm-up game. Let's make the pegs black or dark red. Butters, what color is butter? Let's get a butter color. There you go. There's my butter color. Peg size. Let's make them smaller again. I'm not a fan of the big pegs. Let's get them really small. Give you guys more space to run around in. There we go. And speed. What speed do we want? Let's do... I'm a fan of 4. But let's do 5. Who knows what's going to happen? Apply settings. Who do we got? We got Joker, Trash Rat, Futures, Butters, Twisted. Anybody else? Nope. Okay. Too late, too bad. As they say, warm-up sign gone. This is an official game. Let's get rid of the Renko chart. Gone. Apply. Fire. Ooh, big balls. Small little Butters always floating around the Trash Rat. Sorry, Trash Rat. That was quick. Twisted. We got a couple of people running interference. Player 6 and Futures. Butters busting through the wall. Turned the brick white. We got a couple of bricks open. It's a good game, going fast. I like it. Butters looked like he was going to float towards the stop out, but in the end, oh, look at that. That's a beautiful kick I gave you. Butters, it's yours. There you go. Uh-huh. It was meant to be. I like those settings. I wish I could save them. Okay. How many qualifiers do you already... Oh, no, it's true. It was Bama. You didn't have one yet. You didn't have a qualifier yet. Did we close above? We did close above, so I got to stop out. Bye. And it's a good thing I was distracted, because now my stop is in profit. So let's get you in the official record. So, because there's no way I'd remember this. Qualifiers. Today's qualifiers were Bama, Trash Rat. Trash Rat, you qualified. See how I forget? And Butters. Butters, 2 T's. T-E-R-S. Okay. File. Save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. If we get 3 tomorrow night, that'll be 9. One person has 2 balls. And then in the morning, for Friday morning, Skeletor has 2 balls. Smooth Operator, Twin, Alex, Adnan, Skeletor, and Skeletor. Skeletor won 2 balls already for Friday morning's draw or game. Okay, let's close up. And that was fun, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I had some laughs. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. or earlier. But Butters, you told me about Mike trading the pre-market, so I might show up earlier. Curious, give it a try. Okay, guys, thanks for hanging out. I'm going to continue with my work, and see you tomorrow.